Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I'm in the kitchen, and I'm going to be cooking some deer meat chili. I've never done it before in my life. Hope it goes well. And I'm just going to try to make it like regular chili. So, let's get started. I'm going to start first with a half an onion diced up, and I'm going to scrape it into this Tupperware and set it aside. Then about 3, maybe 4 cloves of garlic, depending on the size. And we'll get them minced up real nice and fine and just add them right into the onions. Yeah, there you go. We're going to store that Tupperware in the fridge for a little bit. And now it's time to cut open this meat and check it out. Give it a little smell, see if it smells good. Yeah, it smells like hamburger to me. And it looks like we're working with about 4 pounds. I know our recipe generally calls for about 3 pounds, but hey, this is what we had. This is some good quality deer meat. It does not smell gamey at all. You're gonna break it up just like you would hamburger. It's no different. Make sure you wash your hands. And we're gonna simmer it on medium-high heat. Stir it every now and then. Trying to think what that is. Drain the grease off into a jar, a grease catch jar. And set your crock pot to high. And scoop in your meat. Scoop in all that good deer meat. Yeah. And we're going to leave the crock pot on high for about the whole process, because we're going to cook this in about 4 hours. In your pan that you just drained off the deer meat, we're going to saute up these onions and garlic. I'll get all that goodness out of there. Don't want to waste any. And we're going to flatten them out as flat as possible so we can make sure they all cook kind of evenly and sweat out nice. And here we got 2 cans of already prepared diced tomatoes. Yep, petite diced tomatoes. There we go. So they're cut kind of small. It was supposed to be 2 cans of it, but the other can's whole, which it actually worked out better. You'll see. Yep, just plop them right in just like so. So we threw in 1 can of 28 ounce diced tomatoes. Yeah, that's it. Then we come over and check this saute going on over here. It's good to go. I'm going to take it off the heat. Just let it cool for a little bit. And then we're going to add our other can of tomatoes. So we're up to about 2 28 ounce cans of tomatoes. And like I said, the other can wasn't sliced already, but that's okay. You can just slice it up yourself, it's no biggie. And I'm taking off the bits that has that hard pit at the top because they're whole peeled tomatoes. And we're just going to drop them right in. And give it a good stir. Work it all in. Get the flavor going. Well, I'd say get it going. And after the tomatoes, we add our onions sauté. And we're going to add a 1/4 cup of chili powder. Tablespoon of oregano. One and a half tablespoons of cumin. We're going to give our sauté and all of our seasonings a good stir. A little tablespoon of cayenne pepper. That might be a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. That was it for the dry seasonings. Gonna have some chili soon. One last thing to add. Beer. I didn't have a lighter handy, so I'll just use this thing. I wish I had my lighter. But this will work. Beer going in. Just like so. It's going to be some really good chili. Nice dark amber beer. You know what that's all about. Flavor. Give it a good stir. We're going to put the pot on. Add some good chili. It's smelling up the house already. Can you smell what the crock pot is cooking? Alright, so this is about 2 hours into cooking it. Now we're going to add the beans. We're going to put the beans in this colander. I'm going to pick out all the little, what the hell's that stuff called? Rinse them off. Get all the syrup off of them. It'll make them a lot less gassier. And we're going to pick out all the little pieces of skin, yeah. And then dump them right in. Give them another nice big stir. Get steamy. Yeah, like I said, it's about 2 hours in. I'm going to just smash the beans down into that juice, give it a little taste. That's pretty good. It's got some warmth to it. It's that cayenne pepper. It's not crazy spicy. And we're going to let this cook for another 2 hours. And it should be done. So it's about a 4-hour total cook time at high temperature. Alright, it's time to plate it up. If you don't have cornbread, you can use your favorite tortilla chips. And then drop it in a bowl, put down a layer of corn chips, just like I did. Put in your chili. I'm gonna add some cheese. You can add your favorite kind of cheese. You don't have to use this. Now my personal favorite, I'm going to chop up some fresh jalapeno pepper, just like so. Raw jalapeno. I like it kind of crunchy. Like that nice green bite. Nice green bite of fresh jalapeno. Good. Now I'm going to add a little bit of chicken wing sauce to the top of it, just for color and a little extra heat. Why? Because it's just badass. I'm just going to chop it all up into a big quagmire of chili and chips and goodness. Oh man, that's good. Oh my God, shut the front door. That's the bomb diggity. Good stuff. Heck yeah. Now, this is a classic, basic deer meat chili recipe. You can do it at home and you just watch me do it. It's quite easy. All right, everybody. We'll see you next time. Later, y'all.